It's the time when no one is at the venue, there are only branding setups, the chairs are there, the stage is set up. This is the most important time. The footages which you will take in that time will be used across all the things while posting the pictures from that event. It is as important as the pictures and videos of the hall filled with people. The first one, empty venue. Turn on the camera, take the picture of empty hall in 0.6x, 1x, 2x. If on camera, try to do it wide angle, medium angle, some zoomed. If there are branding materials, shoot picture in that time only. That empty time when no one is there, shoot all the branding things. If something is hanging from ceiling, there are standees, there are banner, poster, literature, something put down on table, shoot everything in that 5-10 minutes. One thing to note here is that don't stand at one place and try to shoot everything from there only. If you are going to do it properly. Move across the hall and take photos from everywhere, like going at the last seat and taking picture from there of the stage area when it's empty. Whole hall setup, do for video too. Even if you don't want to move the camera, just hold it still and shoot from that angle. The next thing to not miss is stage area. Take the photos and videos of podium. Even if there is no movement, just keep the camera holding, take the picture of blank stage or podium with some branding material if they are there. The fourth thing is registration area. When the event is going to start in 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, registration is going on. Go there and shoot ID card being distributed, someone registering people names who are going to attend the event, and all the things which are going at registration desk. Try to capture it properly too. This is the time when we have detailed shots. Like if the branding pen is on anyone's table or on every table it's lying or notepad, roll the camera there, take picture, photo, video of that too. This comes under branding shot, and there are other branding shots too. Every detail you look there, capture it. And why this is the most important time of an event photography? It's because the thing which are right there would not be same after when the people come. If you are thinking you will be able to take those footages in last, it's impossible, because the before and after scene of any event is massively different. So these were few things to not miss, and go there, shoot early. These shots are important. If you have shot your event yourself, want to do it coming up, check the playlist. I have more videos which shots to take, which to not miss, how to take b-roll, how to do in indoor shoots, which lights are good, which lights are bad, these things. And when you're done shooting all these, you can send the footages to us in Bangalore. We will edit it and give a final polished video which will be social media ready. This is Abhishek Kumar Sharma, corporate photographer in Bangalore, India. I have been doing this for past 3 years for many big brands in the city. You can subscribe to the channel to keep watching this type of videos. Thank you.